Hi, hello. Welcome, my dear friends. Today is March 19. Time is 12:20 p.m. Okay. See, in our last class, okay, we saw how to create a project. Okay, in our last class, we created in the name of welcome, right? Okay. Please see this screen. Okay. From this screen, okay, we are going to learn further. Okay, sorry, from this welcome project we are going to learn further. Okay, see, last class we created in the name of, okay, welcome, right? See how I am opening. Okay, click on this welcome, and I am going to double click this welcome app. Yeah, that's all. See, simple. Okay, I'm going to remove everything. Okay, because I have already taught you all these things. Okay, please have thirst of knowledge to learn. Okay, static void main is nothing but your entry point. It was written by Microsoft programmer. Okay, and then class, all these details I taught you. Okay, see, before taking this session, okay, I took the same concept, okay, to my dear Tamil students also. Got it? But for them, I have used, instead of welcome, I have used fruits. Okay, for continuation, for continuity, okay, I am taking the same project which I was using in the English session of C# basics. Okay, clear? Sure. Now I am entering. Now I am entering into the concept. Okay, I already taught you that system is nothing but a, okay, Microsoft programmers namespace. Remember, inside system console is available. Inside console, write line method is available. Console is a class. This is nothing but a argument or parameter. Remember this. Okay. So this is entry point, right? Okay. These are all scopes. These are all scopes. Okay. This is class scope. See, there's a small discreted line starting in line number 4 and ending in line number 9. This is entry points starting scope, and this is entry points ending scope. Okay. So now I want to print one more line. System dot console dot write line. Okay. In between double quotes, I am writing, hi, my dear friend. That's all. See, if I forgot to put semicolon, this is called syntax error. If you try to compile, mic is falling down, wait 1 minute. I need to be very careful. Right, it is sorry, sometimes it happens. I need to minimize my quick activities so that it is spelling down. Okay, coming to the concept, put semicolon. Right. See, when you see this program, you should know what is syntax error. Okay. See, if you put capital C instead of small c, it is syntax error. Okay. Apple class name, you can even start with small letter, but okay, for good practice, start with capital A. Okay. See, static must be in small letters, void also must be in small letters, then main, this is a method, Okay, when I am telling about main, okay, you need to remember what is an entry point. Okay, how you will identify this method? Starting off this smooth brace and ending of this smooth brace. Got it? Okay. So, see, because C Sharp is a case sensitive language. Okay, you need to be very careful in that. Okay, see, in your language, for your language, there's a grammar, right? Okay, like that, this C Sharp programming language is also having a grammar. If you learn the grammar, then it is going to be very easy to do program. Clear? See, here I am trying to compile this. How you will compile? By pressing Ctrl F5. That's all. See, in first line we have, see, this is not a number. Note it, because this is between the double quotes. When you are giving something between the double quotes, okay, it is called string or text. Okay, remember that. Mostly try to remember string, string, string. Okay, if you pass something between the smooth braces, it is called parameter or argument. There's a difference between parameter and argument, but for now consider both are same. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now I am going to close this. I believe that by this time you must be knowing what is class. Okay, this is class name. For now, don't worry about the static and void. Okay, this is main is a method name. Okay, how will you identify this main as a method? Because it starts with smooth brace and ends with smooth brace. So, right line is also a method because it starts with smooth brace and ends with smooth brace. If a line ends with semicolon, this is nothing but a statement. You are giving a command. Okay. So, this is Microsoft programmer wrote this namespace. Inside this namespace, you got a class. This class also written by Microsoft programmer. Inside this class, you got WriteLine method. So, dot operator is for to call something. Okay, I am calling console class from system namespaces. That is why I am putting dot. Okay, clear? Okay, dot operator means to call something inside class or inside namespace. Okay, remember all these technical words into your mind. Okay, or if you want, you can note it down in a paper or something else. Okay, please, please, please. Okay, yeah. So, see, for an example, I am going to print the third line. Okay, here I am typing welcome to C Sharp. Hi, welcome to C Sharp. If you closely observe, and I am pressing Ctrl F5, you can see the output. Okay, if you closely observe, each and every line starting from 7 to 9, I am adding the system. 8 also I am adding system. In line number 9 also I am adding system. Each and instead of adding the system for each line, what I am doing is I am going to add that using here commonly. That's all, using system semicolon, and now you can remove this. That's all. Got it? Remove that dot also. Okay. Understand that we have commonly added here. Okay. Remember, up to this. Okay, don't worry about this static and don't worry about this void. Okay, okay. See, now when we were creating this, okay, we have already stored, right? When we were creating this, we have already stored that initial program. We'll see how it looks like. See, I think initial program, it's here. Okay, because something looks like, okay, welcome, right? Remember? So, we are going to introduce that. See, when you create, when you have created this project, it was something looks like this. Okay, correct? And I'm putting dot. Okay, if you want, you can change this name. Okay, if you want, you see, when you are writing this namespace, this is namespace scope. Starts here and namespace scope ends here. Okay, here I am going to give, okay, any name you can give. Okay, vehicle. Okay, class name I am giving something related to that namespace. Car, that's all. Got it? If you compile, this will also get compiled. Okay, this program. Now, see, you have created a small app or application which is going to print these 3 lines. Remember this. You have created an app. Clear? And remember, you have added semicolon. Okay, when a line ends with a semicolon, okay, you can consider that line as a statement or command. For now, you need to remember like this. Okay. Okay, yeah. See, and after that, okay, see how the structure looks like. Okay. See, this is our, I have written this, remember, I have written this namespace. Okay, okay, so I can call this as my namespace. This is also my class. I have written this class. Okay, inside my class, but this static void main method is entry point. Okay, this is written by Microsoft programmer. Remember this. Microsoft programmers entry point method. Okay, when I am telling this entry point method, you need to, at the back of your mind, you need to think how to identify a method. I have already taught you. Okay, okay, main is method name. Okay, clear? Okay, see, when you are seeing this program, okay, this is, I have written vehicle namespace. Inside this vehicle namespace, class car is there, car is class name. Inside this class car, okay, I got static void main as a Microsoft programmer's entry point method. Okay, in console application, okay, see, this is an app, right? Okay, each and every console application must be start with this entry point. Remember this. Okay. So we can develop the app by using Microsoft Programmers namespace and Microsoft Programmers class and Microsoft Programmers method. Got it? See, that is what we are going to see now. What I am, imagine this namespace vehicle we have written, I have written, class car we have written, I have written, but the static void main method, entry point method was written by Microsoft Programmer. Okay, so we can write console app only by using Microsoft Programmer's entry point method. Got it? Please keep this in mind. Okay, then what I am going to do, okay, we are going to see, okay, how Microsoft Programmer wrote this console class. Okay, so for that purpose, keep your cursor on that class and press F12 or function F12. I am pressing function F12 in my laptop. See, so this is Microsoft Programmers namespace. Inside this namespace, they have written class. Inside this class console, they have written write line method. Okay, don't worry about this public static and all. Okay, public static and all. Don't worry about this internal enum. Everything we will be looking later, step by step. Slowly we will proceed. Okay, clear? Okay, yeah. So you need to compare. Okay, how we have written our namespace, how we have written our class. Like that, Microsoft Programmer has also written their namespace and their class console. Okay, we by using their namespace and their class, only by using their namespace and their class and their method, okay, we can develop our app. Got it? Okay. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to introduce a method. You need to see a method, right? We will write our own method. Oh, public void, okay, welcome. That's all. Okay, this is welcome is a method. Okay, because it starts with smooth brace starting and ends with smooth brace ending. Okay, after that, because see, it shows syntax error because I didn't provide, so far I didn't provide my method's scope, starting scope and ending scope. Okay, just press shift and then curly brace starting. Automatically that curly brace ending will be placed. Enter. Then inside that, okay, console dot, okay, write line and double quotes and then semicolon. Okay, I am just typing, I am learning C#. Okay, so if I press this Control F5, say this is the last session. If I press Control F5, you can see only up to hi, welcome to C# is printed, right? Okay, this I am learning C# is not yet printed. Okay, so how to print this? Because we didn't call this method. We didn't call this method. Okay, we need to call. Okay, so how are we going to call this method? See, go there. Okay, now I'm going to introduce the concept of instantiation. Instantiation. Okay, instantiation is nothing but create an instance for the class. Okay, so our class name is car. Okay, next I'm going to provide, okay, instance name. Instance name may be anything. Here I am putting ABCD. Okay, it is equal to new car. Okay, so when you are writing this line, you need to imagine ABCD is the instance of the class car. So ABCD can access, ABCD instance can access class members of car. Okay, so if you see, what do you mean by class member? If you see this, your program in an aerial view, okay, class car is available inside vehicle. Okay, your class car is having two class members. One is static void main entry point method, and another one is public void welcome. Okay, this welcome is, I have my method. Okay, I have used this method. I have written this method. When you are doing coding, feel and do so that you can easily understand. Okay, so from entry point, okay, I'm going to call this welcome method. Okay, so I have created an instance or object. Most of the people they used to say object, but my students, okay, please call this as an instance. Instance may be anything. Even I can give what? Ganga, river Ganga. Okay, so Ganga is the instance of class car. Got it? So Ganga can access the class member which is available inside this class car. Okay, so through Ganga, I am going to call welcome method. See, it has come over here. This small window is called intelligence window. Remember, okay, welcome, that's all. Now you can provide control F5. See, now you can see, okay, inside that I am learning C# is also getting printed. Got it? That's all. Okay. Now you can ask, because I have already told you, don't worry about this static and void, correct? Okay. Now, but I have introduced public, right? So, public is nothing but access specifier. Public is all access specifier. Remember this. Okay. There are totally 5 or 6. Okay. I think 10 years back only 5. I think one more new access specifier they have introduced. Okay, we will see that later. Okay, there are 5 form. Okay, later we will see. In my memory, okay, there are 5 access specifiers are there. Okay, what are they? One is public, another one is private, another one is protected, another one is internal, okay, and another one is protected internal. Got it? Okay. Okay, I'll compare with my Tamil lesson. Okay. Okay, one thing I missed. Yeah. See, when you see this, okay, this using namespace, class, static, void, closely you need to observe your program are all in same color. Okay, all these things, okay, using namespace, class, static, void, okay, public void, all these things are called reserved keywords. Reserved keywords. Okay, reserved keywords means, okay, you cannot use void for creating instance for class car. Got it? I can't use it here. It's an error. Okay, I can't use void as an instance, right? It's error. You need to use some other word. So that is called reserved. If you're going in a train, okay, if you reserve the ticket, another person cannot sit in that seat, right? The same concept. Okay, so here use Ganga. Okay, clear. And then you need to be very careful when, because keep on I'm telling, C# is a case sensitive language. So you need to be very careful with the semicolons and then with these double quotes. Okay. So when a line is ending with this semicolon, it is called a statement. See, many technical terms I have used in this session. Okay, observe carefully, note it down. Okay, I have told most of the things. Okay, only static and void I left. Okay, we will see about static and void in our next class. Okay, clear? Okay, students, bye. Take care. I think I'll check once. Did I miss anything? Okay, I have told about syntax errors. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll save that. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, you can leave. Very good afternoon. Now the time is 12:48 p.m. Date is March 19. Bye. Take care.